Today, I have some exciting news to share with you. We are offering several online training programs that will equip you with the skills to prepare delectable plant-based meals or pastries. These are not just any ordinary cooking course, they are a unique opportunity to turn your passion for cooking into a profitable venture. Imagine applying what you learned to make an Airbnb experience where you can charge people to eat at your home and learn about the city or culture where you live, so you can make extra money while you are cooking at your home. Our training programs are designed to help you master the art of creating vegan dishes that will tantalize the taste buds of your guests. But it's not just about the cooking. We also focus on teaching you how to interact and communicate effectively with tourists who are keen on exploring and learning about local vegan cuisine. Imagine this: you're in your own kitchen, cooking up a storm, while engaging in a friendly chat with people visiting your town or city. Not only do you get to share your love for vegan food, but you also get to meet new people, share your culture, and make some money while you're at it. With our course, you'll learn how to apply the skills you acquire to create memorable and profitable Airbnb experiences. We believe in the power of learning by doing, and we can't wait to see you put your newfound knowledge to use. So why wait? Join us and embark on this exciting journey to turn your love for cooking into a thriving business. Take a course on vegan cuisine, or maybe vegan pizza, or learn to make exotic vegan cheeses, or maybe offer desserts, and take any of our vegan pastry courses. Let's make the world a more engaging, friendlier, and tastier place together. Just simply click on the link below in the comments on this video and learn about taking a course with us. Or maybe try your luck and sign up for scholarship online and see what you can win.